Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today in this video we are going to learn the cooking utensils. Utensilios de cocina. First of all, you might start your day grabbing a mug for a coffee or with a tea. How do you say mug in Spanish? You say taza. Taza. Later you might be a little bit hungry, like, oh, I fancy to have a toast. So you get the toaster. Toaster in Spanish is tostadora. Tostadora. You might need to go to the fridge. Fridge in Spanish is frigorífico. Frigorífico. You can also say nevera, which is easier. Nevera. If I want to have a tea, I just have to get the kettle. Kettle in Spanish is hervidor. Hervidor. And what about the coffee maker? Coffee maker in Spanish is cafetera. Cafetera. What do we use to blend something, some fruits? We use the blender. Blender in Spanish is licuadora. Licuadora. Or the microwave is microondas. Microondas. What is fork in Spanish? Fork in Spanish is tenedor. Tenedor. Knife is cuchillo. Cuchillo. And now we have the spoon. So when you want to say tablespoon, you just say cuchara. Or if you want to say teaspoon, you say cucharita. But you can use cuchara as the standard one. Cuchara. This one is quite easy. From plate, you say plato. Plato. Ladle in Spanish is cucharón. Cucharón. Spatula in Spanish is espátula. Espátula. Quite easy. Frying pan in Spanish is sartén. Sartén. We have here the meat cleaver is cuchillo de carnicero. Cuchillo de carnicero. Potato peeler is pelador de patatas. Pelador de patatas. Finally, it is an overview of all the words we have just learned in this video. You can watch the video again and try to repeat them after me. If you have any question or you might need help with your Spanish, you can leave a comment. I'm happy to help you. See you soon. Hasta la vista, amigos.